What do you sort of see as a, scary thing when you're changing lanes on freeways, Viv?
I suppose just cars not letting me, and it'll take a while for me to switch.
Yeah. So it's easy fix. Just keep blinking until you can get the safe gap. Check your mirror all the time because it's in your peripheral vision. So now indicate right and give it pay good attention to the mirror. Look over your shoulder properly and then gently equate your meters with the speed that you're doing. For example, you're doing 90 kilometers an hour. Take about 90 meters to get across. So let's do it again to the left. So indicate left, mirror, look over your shoulder, keep up. Don't go too sharply. That's a lot better. If you cross within sort of 20 meters doing almost 100 kilometers an hour, that can be dangerously sharp, okay, because you can easily lose control in those situations. If you have a car, if you want to change lanes, you can still indicate, but let him pass you, okay? Then when he passes you more than 2 seconds, mirror, look over your shoulder and follow-up check again. Take about 90 meters for 90 kilometers, 100 meters. I'm not sure if you can judge what's 100 meters. 100 meters is roughly from here to that green sign. That's not too long distance, is it? Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go back to the left. Indicate left and mirror. Look over your left shoulder properly. Take time getting over. That's it. So again, just for practice, mirror. Let's indicate right. Let him pass a bit. Look over your shoulder and fit between the two. Okay? So this time you started to change a little bit late. After you check your blind spot, if it's evident there's nothing there, you should start to deviate already. So let's go back to the left. Indicate left and mirror. Look over your left shoulder. Is he letting? I don't believe this one's letting you.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't force your way in, okay? You can leave your indicator on for sure. Now mirror, look over your shoulder. Can you fit in? I don't believe so. This one isn't letting you in either.
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe now look over your shoulder, okay, and gently get in. Follow-up check in the mirror. That's it. Switch off. So in this instance, we even took a little bit longer to blend in. The best way to avoid any problems is not to slow down significantly. Of course, unless there's a car that's, in front of you, so you shouldn't be less than 2 seconds from any car. So let's try again because we've got a few cars. Indicate right, mirror, push a bit more. Okay, follow-up check. It's very important to see the development, to see what's changed since you looked at the mirror last time.
Yeah.
Clearly there was no car between you and that white car there, but you don't know how quickly they are catching up. Just for practice again, back to the left, indicate left, mirror, shoulder check. No, that was a little bit on the sharper side.
Yeah.
And remember to keep your arms nicely relaxed when you do, especially when you're changing lanes. I'll tell you what, when you change lanes, if you have your arms too firm, if you want to check your blind spot, it's very likely you're going to pull the steering, and you don't want to pull the steering. When you're holding your hands too firm and you look over your shoulder, your upper body movement will pull the steering as well.